Let's see how we can use the MAXIFS function in Google Sheets. We have the MAXIFS function Google Sheet open, and it has the data template we require. In column A, we have the serial number from 1 to 20. Using the sequence function, with rows 20, columns 1, start 1, and step 1. In column B, we have the product, product 1, and product 2. In column C, we have the salesperson, A, B and C, who sold the products given in column B. In column D, we have the sales, of the products given in column B, by the salesperson given in column C. In column F and G, we have the product, and salesperson. For product 1 salesperson, A, for product 1 salesperson B, for product 1 salesperson C, for product 2 salesperson, A, for product 2 salesperson B, and for product 2 salesperson C. In column H, we want the max sale. That is the maximum sale for the products given in column F, by the salesperson given in column G. So for this, we will use the MAXIFS function, which returns the maximum value in a filtered range of cells, filtered by a set of criteria applied to additional ranges. It takes range, criteria range 1, criteria 1, optional criteria range 2, optional criteria 2, and so on as arguments. An example is shown. For our case, we will write equal to MAXIFS, range, since we want to find the max sales, will be D2 to D21. Let's lock this range using the F4 function plus F4 keys as the case may be, since we do not want this range to change as we drag the formula down. Comma, criteria range 1. First criteria is product, so we will write product range B2 to B21. Again, let's lock this range using the F4 of the function plus F4 keys as the case may be, since we do not want this range to change as we drag the formula down. Comma, criteria 1 will be the product given in the F2 cell. We will not lock F2, because we want this F2 to change to F3, F4, F5, F6 and F7 as we drag the formula down. Comma, criteria range 2 is for the salesperson. So the salesperson range from C2 to C21. Again, let's lock this range using the F4 of the function plus F4 keys as a case may be, since we do not want this range to change, as we drag this formula down. Comma, criteria 2 will be the salesperson given in G2 cell. Again, we will not lock G2 because we want this G2 to change to G3, G4, G5, G6, G7 as we drag the formula down. Let's close the bracket for the MAXIFS function. Let's autofill the data. We see that we get the max sale. For product 1 salesperson, A, the max sale is 10,000. So, if we check for product 1, salesperson, A, we see that the maximum value is indeed 10,000. If we select max here, we can check from here the max value of the selected cells. Now for product 1, salesperson B, max sale is 20,000. So, if we check for product 1, salesperson B, the max is indeed 20,000. Now for product 1, salesperson C, the max sale is 8,000. So, for product 1, salesperson C, if we check. Max is indeed 8,000. Next for product 2, salesperson A, the max sale is 18,500, for product 2, salesperson A, if we check. The max sale is indeed 18,500. Now for product 2, salesperson B, the max sale is 13,500, so, for product 2, and salesperson B, if we check. The max sale is indeed 13,500. For product 2 and salesperson C, the max sales is 6,500, so, for product 2, and salesperson C, if we check. The max sale is indeed 6,500. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the MAXIFS function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.